Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to prep my skin, my skincare routine, and how I like to achieve that glowy, dewy, no makeup look. It's just going to be very effortless glam. You're just going to get right into it. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start off with, of course, a little bit of my skincare routine. My face is clean actually because, I don't know, I showered this morning. I'm just going to start with my face mask. I like to do a DIY face mask. I opt for more natural ingredients whenever I can. So this is a turmeric face mask and it has just 2 ingredients. Just a tiny bit of turmeric, not too much. The second ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Just a few drops. I'm trying to form a thick paste. So I'm just gonna take this hair out of my face. Yeah. This video couldn't have come at a better time because my skin has been going through it. All my ladies know that time of the month, your hormones are crazy. I do this just once a week because these ingredients are very potent. It makes my eyes tear up, can you see? And I have sensitive skin, so doing this too much can actually burn your skin because of the vinegar being very acidic. So that is our turmeric face mask. My fingers are stained. I'll just let this sit for about 30 minutes and then we'll be back. I am back. The mask is dry. I can barely move my face. I'm going to be using my Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser to wash all of this off. It's about to get very messy in here. So everyone knows that turmeric leaves the most annoying yellow stain on anything it touches. That's one thing I don't enjoy about this mask. I'm just going to go in with my spin brush. This is from Vanity Planet and we are going to be scrubbing whatever yellow residue is left on my face. And we are going to use this soap. This is pure goat's milk soap. It's just going to help take off the extra stains that I couldn't get off with the cleanser. Guys, can you see? And that is how I successfully take the turmeric stain out of my face. Just gonna pat my face dry. Now my face is like squeaky clean. Like my face is so clean. We are going to go in with my Neutrogena toner. It has salicylic acid in it, so this helps with acne prone skin. This is a very good toner. I've been using it for years. I'm just going to grab a cotton pad. Just put this all over my face and this will also help remove the extra turmeric stains. Don't forget your neck, guys. Never forget your neck. See? There's still turmeric. I think I've somewhat restored my face back to its original color. Now I'm going to take my face lotion. This is also by Cetaphil and it's also for acne prone skin, and most importantly it has SPF. Do not forget your SPF, kids. I just put this amount and then put it all over my face. And again, you just want to run your hands down your neck. This is how I prep my skin, and now we can get started on our makeup. We are not trying to do anything crazy. We're going to start from our brows. My brows are a mess right now, you guys. You know, with everything going on, but we are going to try to fix her as much as we can. So we're just going to go ahead and brush our brow. And then I'm going to just fill it in at the end with the pencil. Guys, no jokes, like this is what I'm going to do. I feel like I still look yellow, but that's just besides the point. I'm going to take concealer. Just going to use my finger, and I'm going to use this to conceal my eyes, to cover up like the dark circles. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? A little bit under the eye as well. And if you want, you can just go in and use your finger to clean up the brow with concealer as well. And then now we're going to take concealer. We're just going to put a tiny bit under our eye again, and some on our nose, over here too, because we need to cover up the stash. And then I have a little dark spot over here, so we're going to put some concealer there as well. And then we're going to blend, cover it up with our finger. We're going to use our fingers for this entire look, you guys. At the end of the day, our fingers are our best blending tool. Anytime a boy says, oh, she looks better without makeup, this is the look that they're talking about. We are just going to set it, and we'll be using the Huda Beauty. I'm just taking this brush and then now we are going to warm up the face a little bit. I'm just going to be taking my bronzer, which is kind of also a blush. It's like a mineral baked bronzer, and this is by Il Maquillage. So I'm just going to smile. I like blush, so I'm going to go a bit crazy and just see. We're already looking very dewy. So on the nose, just put it everywhere. There is no need to contour or use like a dark bronzer or anything like that, because we don't have any foundation on. There's literally nothing here and nothing here. My face still has its natural contour. Now we are going to glow. We are going to be using NYX. This is the liquid illuminator, and we're just going to place that on the highest points of the cheeks, on the forehead, nose, just a little bit on the chin. You see how I'm blending it upwards into my forehead. I look like a disco ball, and I'm loving it. You can go in and just, you know, control it a little bit with a brush if you want. And then now we are going to take a black eyeliner. Then you're going to take a black mascara. I'm going to put some on your lower lash as well. And then this is my little secret. Shh, don't tell anyone. I put a little bit of white eyeliner on my lower lash line because this helps to make my eyes pop. It just helps to wake up my face. So I'm just going to put some right at the center of my lower lash line. And this just makes a very big difference in my opinion. See? I look more awake. And then now it's time for lip balm. I love this lip balm. It's from this brand I saw at the mall the other day. Flamor. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. And it has the cutest packaging. This is the caramel flavor, or the caramel fragrance, because it doesn't have a flavor. And it smells so yummy. And then I line my lip with a brown pencil. And then I go in with a gloss. Now we're down to the last step, and this is just what ties everything together. This is the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So guys, this is what I do to achieve the no makeup look. It's very dewy, it's very glowy, makes your skin look very fresh and awake. When I do this, I'm ready for class, I'm ready to go run errands, go just visit some friends in their houses, but not now because it's quarantine. This is my Vogue beauty secret video. Vogue, thank you so much for having me. I love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.